great to be on the other side of the table because I've been there. I know the pressure, but these kids, they were all so amazing. They were all so great. They got the best fashion, the best personality, and I think everyone stood out. It was a hard decision for all of us to make because everyone was so stunning, so eloquent. But at the end, the best won, and I think I had a great time looking at all of them. It's a journey that I witnessed, the journey that I lived. I think it's definitely very difficult judging because everyone's really, really great out there. Everyone's putting their best foot forward, and you can't be too hard on them. I have been through that, so it's very hard being hard on them. This is not end of the world. There are so many more things coming your way. Like this is a journey. A door closes, a door opens. So keep thriving. Keep your heads high up. And I know you're gonna make everyone, and but most importantly yourself proud. Well, sure thing. I think there are some announcements coming your way soon. Hopefully this year. So.
Well, that was a fantastic event. I really liked being a part of it. The competition gets very tough because every other contestant were so much prepared. They were from different parts of the country and they were having their own essence. So it was getting difficult because I personally loved answers of everyone because they were distinctive, but purely coming from their heart. So something that I really love. It reminded me a lot about my journey because even I started my pageant, something like that, walking on the stage, and it made me remember how vulnerable we are for the first time or the second time when we face the stage. So it reminded me back to the days when I used to be a contestant.
Of course, it has been a wonderful event. So this is my first time I attended this event, OMG, and the contestants were amazing. Yeah, such great talent, and I hope them all the best. And I wish them to see in much bigger and bigger and bigger platforms.